Hello, this is Nick from Laptop Media, and today we will show you how to open the HP Elite X360 1040 G11. To open this 2-in-1 notebook, you have to undo only 4 captive Phillips head screws. When that is done, slight gaps should appear in the 2 bottom corners, which is a good starting point to begin prying the front with a thin plastic tool and then work your way around the sides and the back. This laptop has the optional 68 watt-hour battery. The base model is a 56 watt-hour unit. Pull the connector towards the battery to detach it, rotate the 2 blue clips on the lower side, and raise the unit away by lifting its bottom. The capacity is enough for around 17 hours and a half of video playback. That's a great result. Our test was conducted with the Energy Saver preset activated in the Windows Power and Battery menu and the Smart Sense mode applied in the My HP app. The WWAN slot for optional 5G or 4G LTE connectivity is on the left, while the Wi-Fi card is placed on the right. That's a compact transformer, and that's why the RAM is soldered. However, you get up to 64 gigabytes of fast LPDDR5X, 7,467 MHz memory in dual-channel mode, which should be enough for most users. For storage, you get just one M.2 slot compatible with 2280 Gen 4 SSDs. The NVMe drive is protected with a metal cap on top. You can remove it by carefully lifting the attached fabric handle. We can spot small thermal pads on both sides of the NVMe drive. The cooling looks decent, especially for a compact machine like this one. It comprises 2 fans, a long heat pipe, 1 large heat sink, and a big heat spreader.